Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to airport Wi-Fi. First, ensure your device's Wi-Fi is enabled. Then, open your Wi-Fi settings and look for the official airport network. These networks often include the airport's name, like LAX Free Wi-Fi or Heathrow Wi-Fi. Always prioritize official. Once you've selected the correct network, a captive portal should automatically launch in your web browser. If it doesn't, simply open any browser and try navigating to a website. This usually triggers the portal. You'll likely need to agree to the terms and conditions, or perhaps enter a flight number or email address to proceed. To begin your Nintendo Switch Sports adventure, you can purchase the game either as a digital download from the Nintendo eShop or as a physical cartridge from a retailer. Once you have the game, simply ensure your Joy-Con controllers are charged and ready. The game provides helpful tutorials for each sport, guiding you through the necessary movements. You can enjoy playing by yourself, with up to 3 friends in the same room, or compete against others globally online. To make the most of your airport Wi-Fi, remember that free options can sometimes be slow. If you need faster speeds for work or streaming, consider purchasing a premium access pass. Also, download any movies or large documents before you leave home. Finally, disconnect from the network when you are not actively using it to conserve battery and maintain security.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.